Hi buddy, welcome to answersQ. DataCamp is offering free unlimited access to their entire platform for a limited number of days. So let me tell first what DataCamp is. So DataCamp is basically an online learning platform where you can get a lot of courses related to technology. So you can learn about machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, name any trending technology, you can learn about that in DataCamp. And they also provide some very good courses for learning programming languages like Python or and many more. So they have given this free offer where you can get all the courses and projects available in their platform for completely free of cost for a limited number of days. So we'll be seeing all the details regarding this offer by DataCamp in this video. I'll also show you how to avail this offer and enroll in the courses for free. Let's get started. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Press the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about free online courses, job updates, internships, workshops, and other online events. So now let us get into the content. So DataCamp is offering free unlimited access to all the courses, projects, assessments, and everything available in their platform until April 30. So you can enroll in any number of courses, projects, assessment, and anything available in DataCamp for absolutely free until April 30, 2021. And you can also get a certificate after completing the courses in DataCamp, so that you can share your certificate on your resume as well as on your LinkedIn profile, which will be a valuable one. And you don't need to provide any credit card details for this registration process to get this free unlimited access offer in DataCamp. So now let's see how to get this free access. So if you already have an account in DataCamp, you can just click on this sign in to access the offer and give your login credentials and log into your account. If you are coming to DataCamp for the first time, you can just create your account with your Google account, LinkedIn account, or Facebook account, or else you can give your email address and set a password for your account and just click on this start free access now. So I already have an account in DataCamp, so let me click on sign in to access the offer. So let me log into my account and catch up after that. So once you log into your account, you will see this don't wait, get free unlimited access today. So what you have to do is just click on this activate now button. So that's it. Now we have activated this free unlimited access offer in DataCamp. You can see that here, congratulations, free unlimited access through April 30. So now we can get any number of courses and projects available in DataCamp for free until April 30. So now just click on this start learning button, and then you will see this welcome to DataCamp page. And here is a survey. What data science language would you like to start with? If you want, you can just take the survey, or else you can skip it. So skip this survey and go see our skill tracks, career tracks, and courses. So you can just click on skill tracks, career tracks, or courses here. Career tracks and skill tracks, everything will have courses inside it. So let us see the courses itself. So let me click on courses here. Once you click on courses, you will be seeing this get the most from DataCamp. So just click on got it here. So now we are in the course catalog page of DataCamp. So totally 356 courses are available on this DataCamp platform now, and you can get any number of courses for free and enroll in it, complete it, and get your certificate for free. So you have different courses like Introduction to Python, SQL, R, and you have Intermediate Python, Introduction to Data Science in Python, and Power BI course. There are a lot more courses available, machine learning for everyone. So you can just click on this load more, and you can see the remaining courses and enroll in any course that you like. You can just click on the course name and start learning, and once you complete the course, you can also get your certificate. And there are also projects available in DataCamp. So on the left side menu, you will see here projects. So just click on projects here, and then you will see all the projects that are available in DataCamp. So in DataCamp, as of now, there are totally 79 projects, and you can see what are those projects and who's going to teach you and what are the subjects that you'll be learning in that particular topic. So you can see everything here. You can just choose the project that you are interested in. You can just click on the title and go inside the project and see more details and enroll in the project and get more understanding about different subjects involved in it. So this is how you need to see the projects in DataCamp. You can just enroll in it straight away. And there are the career tracks and skill tracks available. So first let us see the career tracks. So in career tracks, you will be seeing different topics, like if you want to become a R programmer, or if you want to become a data scientist with R, data analyst, Python programmer, data analyst with Python, data scientist with Python, statistician with R. machine learning scientist with Python. So everything is given here. If whatever you want to become, if you want to become a data analyst with a specialist in SQL, they have given it. So you can just choose the career here and move forward with that particular thing. So you can also see the career tracks under Python, R, and SQL. So these are the major things given here. And now let us explore skill tracks. So just click on skill tracks here. So in skill tracks, you will see different skills which you might want to develop. So you might want to develop Python skills, your R programming skills, SQL, Shell, spreadsheets, Tableau, theory. So you can just choose the skill that you want to develop. For example, let us go with Python. So once you click on Python, you will see all the courses that are available here in this platform related to Python. So you can just choose the course that is interesting to you. You can just enroll in it, complete it, and get your certificate. So you can filter the courses by career as well as skills. So you can make use of this career tracks and skill tracks given here. If you want to see all the courses, you can just click on this courses here and see entire list of courses offered by DataCamp there. So there are more than 350 courses available. So I hope you'll find something useful in this list. You can also practice something in this platform in DataCamp. You can practice cleaning data in Python, manipulating data frames with pandas, cleaning data in R. So 55 practice sessions are also given here in this platform now. You can also make use of it. So now let's see how to enroll in the courses. So let me go back to courses section and enroll in this introduction to Python course. So for example, let's take this one. So just click on any course that you want to enroll in. Once you click on the topic, you will be going to that particular course page here like this. And here on the course page, you will be seeing more details like the duration of the course, number of videos, number of exercises, and the total number of participants, and all of the details are given here. So just click on this start course for free button. So that's it. Now we have enrolled in this course introduction to Python. You can just click on this video and watch it and start completing the course content. If you want to see the course outline, you can just click on this here at the top, course outline, and you will see what are the chapters available and what are the videos available inside each topic. Like for this one, you have 4 lessons: Python basics, Python list, functions and packages, and NumPy. So you can just go through these things if you want. So this is how you need to enroll in the courses in DataCamp for free. And remember that you can get these courses for free only until April 30. So make sure you are using the offer before that. So I hope you'll find this video very useful. If you want to get more updates about free online courses, job updates, internships, workshops, and other online events and workshops, you can subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also visit answersQ.com website if you want to know more about these things like free courses, internships, workshops, and other things. And do not forget to connect with me on social media channels like Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Check it out.